Guests, the municipal officials headed by Honorable Mayor Rex C. Villa-Agustin, Honorable Barangay officials headed by Barangay Captain Godofredo C. Catli, DPTA officials headed by Mr. Jose D. Dizon Jr., our beloved principal, Dr. Elena P. Bartolo, our dynamic mentors, proud parents, fellow learners, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the Recognition Program 2023 of Don Casimiro G. Taniedo Integrated School. Recognition Day is a culmination of hard work and a year of study. I consider it to be the most important date in our academic calendar, for it is the time when our school's faculty and staff can gather with the students and their parents to celebrate and recognize our achievements. We must not forget that it takes two to tango, for students will not be able to develop academically without the guidance and support of our teachers. We are blessed to be in a school that has a good school spirit where recognition and affirmation flows in all directions. We are blessed to be in the company of teachers, reminded their invaluable service and shared their ideas and wisdom to us. Of course, this will not be possible without the able leadership of our beloved principal, Dr. Elena P. Bartolo. To all of you, thank you for another year of fruitful collaboration. To all the parents who are celebrating this momentous event, especially with us, we thank you for all the hard work and support. For without your guidance, we will be at loss. On behalf of my fellow students, we would like to dedicate whatever honor we have achieved to your selfish sacrifice. Lastly, to my fellow students, it is the day when we can say, I've done it! It is a milestone in our life. On that note, I reiterate my appreciation to all of you who have come to witness this recognition day. On behalf of the fellow of the students of Don Casimiro G. Taniedo Integrated School, welcome and once again, good morning!
Thank you, Cyrus. Sabi nga nila, umulan at umaraw, tuloy pa rin ang pinakaantay, ang paggawad ng mga parangal at pagkilala.